Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss interplanar distance, or this is also called as interplanar pacing. So interplanar pacing is the pacing between two parallel plane which having the same Miller indices in a unit cell. So that is called as the interplanar pacing or interplanar distance which having the same Miller indices. So first we will discuss orthogonal. Orthogonal in which the coordinate axes are perpendicular to the each other. So here suppose we have considered the coordinate axis x, y, z axis, they are perpendicular to the each other. So orthogonal, the cubic system, they having three coordinates are perpendicular to each other. In tetragonal also three coordinates are perpendicular to each other, and in orthorhombic three coordinates are perpendicular to each other. So we are calculating the interplanar pacing for this orthogonal system. So interplanar distance, it is the pacing or distance between two parallel plane in a unit cell which having the same Miller indices, means the plane are parallel to each other. So suppose we have considered atoms which are periodically arranged. Suppose we have considered a horizontal plane. So this the distance between interplanar distance is same in any way, so we can say that they are parallel to each other or they having the same Miller indices. Suppose we have considered a parallel plane at a vertical way, so interplanar distance is same for all of them. We can consider a plane anyway, just interplanar distance is same, they are parallel to each other. Suppose we have considered a plane in oblique way, interplanar distance is same for each. So we will consider the plane in any way. Now consider a coordinate axis x, y, z are perpendicular to each other as shown in figure. So here this x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, they are perpendicular to each other. So here we have considered one plane at a O position in this way, and similarly this plane is parallel to this ABC plane, and the distance between two plane is D. Suppose here we have considered a distance between two plane is D, O to N distance, that is the D distance. So here the edge length on a x-axis, that is A, on a y-axis, that is B, and on a z-axis, that is C. So for our sake of convenience, just we have draw the three planes. This is one plane, this is ABCD is another plane, and upper plane, this is the upper plane. All these three planes are parallel to each other. So just we want to consider this one plane and this ABC plane, and this O to N distance, that is the D. And similarly for the second plane to third plane, the interatomic distance is also interplanar distance is also same. So they are, all these three planes are parallel to each other, and they having the same Miller indices. Now consider a plane ABC. So we have considered a plane ABC which having the Miller indices HKL. Similarly this plane also having the Miller indices HKL, means that set of parallel plane. So this plane also having the Miller indices HKL, because all these plane are parallel. So a parallel plane having the same Miller indices. The D is the distance between two parallel plane. So D is the distance between this and this ABC parallel plane, between two parallel plane of same family, means same Miller indices, O to N, that distance is D. Alpha is the angle between ON, alpha is the angle ON to x-axis, beta is the angle ON to y-axis, and gamma is the angle ON to z-axis. Now intercept on a plane ABC on x, y, z axis are. On x-axis intercept is A divided by H, on y-axis B divided by OB is equal to B divided by K, and on z-axis OC is equal to C by L. So this is our equation first. On ABC plane ON is normal, so the angle respect to three axes are. So here what will happen? This and this are parallel plane, and this distance is normal. We have drawn the normal So the angle respect to this regarding x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So cos alpha, that is the adjacent side. This ON is the adjacent side and OA, that is the hypotenuse. So ON divided by OA, but ON, that is the D. So O to N, that distance is D. So cos alpha, that is the ON or D divided by OA. Similarly cos beta, that is the adjacent side, that is ON, that is D distance, and hypotenuse is OA. So D divided by OB. And cos gamma, that is adjacent side is ON divided by OC. ON is equal to D, so D divided by OC. So this is our equation 2. So putting equation 1 in equation 2, we get cos alpha. So cos alpha is equal to this OA is equal to A by H. So H came in numerator, so DH divided by A. Similarly cos beta, that is DK divided by B, and cos gamma, that is DL divided by C. So this is our equation 3. Here is just cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. We know that the law of direction of cosines is, so cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Putting equation 3 in above equation, we get, so this equation 3 we have put in this equation. So here is cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma is equal to 1. But here is the cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. So here putting equation 3 in above equation, we get, that is here is the cos square alpha, that is why d square h square divided by a square. So that is the d square h square divided by a square plus d square k square divided by b square plus d square l square divided by c square is equal to 1. Or we will take the common d square. So inside the bracket h square a square plus k square divided by b square plus l square divided by c square is equal to 1. So also we can write d square is equal to 1 divided by h square a square plus k square b square plus l square divided by c square. Or we can write d is equal to, so under root of 1, that is 1, and this we will write as a under root. So 1 divided by under root h square divided by a square plus k square divided by b square plus l square divided by c square. So this is our equation 4. This is the expression for interplanar distance or spacing for orthorhombic, because in orthorhombic A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. So now the interplanar distance for cubic system. In cubic system, lattice parameter A is equal to B, B is equal to C. So we can write A is equal to B, B is equal to C is equal to A. So here we have put A, B, C. So all these are same. So D is equal to 1 divided by S square divided by A square plus K square divided by A square plus L square divided by A square, because this all A, B, C is equal to A. So we can write A square, A square, A square. So D is equal to, we can write, we will take outside A square, outside the bracket, that is the 1 divided by 1 upon A under root S square plus K square plus L square, or we can write A as a numerator. So D is equal to A divided by H square plus K square plus L square. This is our equation 5, and this is the interplanar distance for cubic system for simple cube, body center as well as face center cube. Now interplanar distance for trigonal. So D is equal to, this is our general equation, D is equal to 1 upon under root S square A square plus K square divided by B square plus L square divided by C square. But lattice parameter for trigonal are A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. So A is equal to B is equal to A. So we can write A is equal to B is equal to A, but not equal to C. So here we will put A square, or here also A square, and here C square. So D is equal to 1 divided by under root h square divided by a square plus k square divided by a square plus l square divided by c square. So this is our equation 6 for trigonal system. Now interplanar distance for orthorhombic already we have seen. But lattice parameter for orthorhombic system are A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. So we can write D is equal to, as it is equation, D is equal to 1 upon under root h square divided by a square plus k square divided by b square plus l square divided by c square. So this is equation 7 for orthorhombic system. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friend. Thank you for watching this video till to end.